Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to comment in a Facebook group without revealing your name, maybe for privacy, sensitive questions, or just a little extra anonymity, today I'm showing you the updated and easiest method to comment anonymously on Facebook groups. Stick with me till the end because the steps are super simple, but there's one setting most people completely miss. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. From the homepage, tap the three horizontal lines. That's your main menu. Scroll down, tap Groups, and choose the group where you want to comment anonymously. Now, here's the important part. A lot of people try to comment anonymously but don't see the option because anonymous participation isn't turned on in the group settings. So let's check that. When you're inside the group, look at the top right corner and tap the shield icon. That opens the group settings panel. Scroll down until you find anonymous participation. If it's turned off, you won't get the anonymous comment option. Just toggle it on and now the group will allow its members to post and comment without showing their real names. Once that's enabled, go back to the group feed. Find the post you want to reply to and tap into the comment box. As soon as you start typing, Facebook will show a small prompt that says post anonymously. Tap that option, write your comment like normal, and hit submit. And that's it. Your comment will now appear completely anonymous to other group members. Only Facebook and the group's admins can see who you are, but other members won't see your name or profile. So that's the updated and foolproof method for commenting anonymously in Facebook groups. Super quick, super simple, and perfect for when you want privacy. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment, anonymous or not, below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.